Hello guys and welcome to another challenge on this channel. So today we are going to be playing Addicting Drift. It's still buffering, and so in this challenge I will be driving 2 laps in 3 minutes. Alright guys, so this is Addicting Drift and let's play, shall we? Let's start this. Oh, this seems really cool. Wow, it's just drifting and all that. I really like the material of that car, by the way. Just turn it right there, man. Just turn it all the way. Don't bang into these houses. My goodness me. That just takes you to the next level there. Oh, first lap. What? Wait. Oh no. Hey, get me out. Get me out. Oh, okay. Come on. Like, I have no idea why it takes me to the right when I'm not even pressing the right. This is even more strange. Ah, not the back again. Ah, it looks like we're almost here, huh? It keeps turning back like that. Come on! Yes! Here we go! My goodness, it turned all the way like that. Wow, that just gave me another easy 27 seconds to beat that. Anyway guys, so that was it for this challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and unless if I do a video tomorrow, I will see you in the Gross Guy episode on Wednesday.